Morning, y'all. Old Sideburn Bandit here. Ain't nothing like pure satisfaction. So, thank the Lord, everybody get up, get our day started, and be a new, like I say another day, you're a new creation. Everybody forgive, love one another, and let's just help each other and do the best we can, y'all. The morning is my favorite time of day, and I want to share this sunrise with y'all. Like I said, I'll get better at this, y'all. I'm working on everything, but let me flip it around real quick, and then I gotta go pick my food up. I like to eat here every morning, hole in the walls. Y'all ain't been here, y'all come eat. Man, I love the morning time. Look at it, just beautiful. I'm gonna try to catch that sunrise just right, y'all, but just to give y'all an idea, Blairsville, Georgia, here it is. And then look, one other thing, that Vine chocolate place right there, that's a good place right there. They got homemade chocolate, or they do homemade stuff in there. They got Belgium chocolate or something. It's good though, y'all should check it out. All right, everybody have a good day, and Sideburn out. All right, y'all, we out here on this beautiful Saturday on this roof, on this little tank, y'all. We just about wrapping it up, y'all. We got the metal down, and we about to put the ridge cap on. All we like on this job now, we like the corners. We're gonna put some 45s up under it down there on them posts, and we gotta do the steps. We forgot our cat block, but we'll flip it around real quick for you. There you go. We got her metal down right there. She ain't too bad. About to put her ridge cap down. It looks good. We happy with it. Not bad at all. Let me see if I can try to get it. Y'all bear with me, y'all. Sorry, I'm trying not to fall off the roof. There you go. But yeah, I don't know if we can see it from down here or not. Nope, can't do it. All right, we gotta get back at it. Old Claude down there somewhere. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, I forgot to show you with the ridge cap. I just got the ridge cap on. There you go. What y'all think? Looking good, yeah. It's hard to get a good angle. Sorry, y'all, watch with the phone a second. But there you go. That baby straight as an air. Looking good, boys. Looking good. Look, go figure. You get down for today, you got shade. All right, y'all, we're going to get down and try to wrap it up, and I'll show y'all, or we'll take pictures. Oh, Sideburns out. All right, then, we're about to throw these corners on real quick. I want to flip the phone around just to show y'all how much difference it makes, how much better it's going to look when the corners are on there and done. This is what she looks like now, which is good. It ain't bad. The corner's going to go there and on the side. But what do y'all think? We got her drip edge on, the roof on. See, she's looking good. Soffit's up there. And see, we got the soffit down through there. But yeah, y'all, little decks on. We got to build our porch or our steps, but we ran out of cinder block. We got to get our cinder blocks to set them on. But for the bottom down there, we got to dig and do some stuff down there at the bottom. But all right, y'all, I was going to tell y'all about the corner ordeal. Y'all tell me what y'all think. It's wild how much better they look just when you add a few things on. Well, fellas, we can't say we didn't try. We give it another good day, Pure satisfaction as always. But we could have finished if we wanted to stay out here for about 2 hours, but we just figured we'd come out here tomorrow. We got that trash and stuff we got to clean up too, but we'll flip it around real quick. This is a pretty good view right here where you can see the metal on the roof and the corners and all, and she come together pretty good, y'all. We still got a few things to do, but y'all comment, like, subscribe, and tell us what you think. Sorry I didn't post a video yesterday neither, y'all. We just tired, and I thought we'd be finished today. And the other thing is, I'm gonna have tomorrow when we finish, we'll have a whole video clipped together from the beginning of this job to the end. So y'all let me know what you. There y'all go. See, we got the roof on her. She looking good, y'all. And then the corner's on. They're going, when they get her all painted out, man, she gonna come out good. But these trees are kind of in the way. It's hard to get a good view. I'm trying to, so y'all can kind of see. But yeah, she coming along, looking good. But y'all comment, like, subscribe, and y'all just stay tuned, cause like I said, tomorrow, we're gonna have a full video, and if y'all ain't subscribed, y'all join and be part of the crew. All right, y'all, Sideburn Bandit out.